after I left there is a group in Egypt that a religious group that really try to help people that, so they collect, in Egypt, they have this month of Ramadan where they have to fast from sunrise to sunset every day for a month. And then at the end, for their work to be accepted by God, they have to give some money to the poor people, certain fraction of the salary. So so those people really that got this money, they saw healing cancer, which is the biggest problem of killing people, cancer, So they called the National Research Center where I was giving the talk, and they said, Professor Said, we come and help you guys to do this work with them. We'll give you the money that you want. They have this money to give for good things. So they called me and I said, oh, absolutely, I'm coming. No way, I'm definitely coming. So that was a wonderful. And then after that, I convinced the government there that to believe them, I need another group